Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a deep dive into one of the most hotly anticipated electric vehicles of 2024, the BYD Seal. This sleek sedan has been making waves for its striking design, impressive performance, and potential to challenge the Tesla Model 3 throne. So, buckle up as we put the Seal through its paces and see if it lives up to the hype. First things first, let's talk about its head-turning design. The Seal is a stunner, with a low-slung silhouette, muscular curves, and a fastback roofline that screams sportiness. But it's not just about aesthetics, the design is also incredibly functional. The drag coefficient is impressively low, thanks to features like the hidden door handles and active spoilers. This translates to better efficiency and longer range, two things we can all appreciate in an interior. Step inside the Seal, and you're greeted by a minimalist yet luxurious cabin. The high-quality materials and soft touch surfaces feel great to the touch, and the panoramic sunroof floods the space with natural light. But the real star of the show is the technology. The Seal boasts a massive rotating touchscreen that controls everything from climate to navigation. There's even a digital instrument cluster that can be customized to your liking. And let's not forget the Blade battery technology, which is not only safer and more durable than traditional lithium-ion batteries, but also takes up less space, maximizing interior room. Now, for the part everyone's been waiting for, performance. The Seal comes in two variants, the standard range and the extended range. The standard range packs a punch with 311 horsepower and 400 pounds-feet of torque, while the extended range cranks it up to a jaw-dropping 536 horsepower and 626 pounds-feet of torque. That's enough to launch you from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a blistering 3.8 seconds, putting it in the same league as supercars. But the Seal isn't just about straight-line speed. It handles like a dream, thanks to its low center of gravity and sophisticated suspension. Whether you're carving up corners or cruising down the highway, the Seal is a blast to drive. Range anxiety is a common concern with EVs, but the Seal alleviates that fear with its impressive range. The standard range offers up to 300 miles on a single charge, while the extended range boasts a remarkable 400 miles. And if you're running low, the Seal can be fast-charged from 10% to 80% in just 30 minutes, thanks to its 800-volt DC charging capability. So, is the BYD Seal the Tesla Model 3 killer? It's certainly a strong contender. It has the looks, the performance, the technology, and the range to give Tesla a serious run for its money. And with a starting price that's slightly lower than the Model 3, the Seal offers even more value for your buck. Of course, it's still early days, and the Seal hasn't been out long enough for a definitive verdict. But one thing's for sure, BYD has created a game-changer with the Seal. This is an EV that's not just good, it's great. And it's a clear sign that the future of electric vehicles is bright. So, what do you think? Is the BYD Seal the EV you've been waiting for? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more electric vehicle content. See you next time.